Up until now, we've just been working with one artboard, what we see here. However, Illustrator gives us the opportunity to work with multiple artboards at the same time. That can be useful when creating brochures or something like a business communication set where you can have the artboard for the letterhead, the artboard for the envelope, and the artboard for the business card all in one file. So I'm going to close this document now and open up the L1 Start 2 file from the lesson file folder. So go to File, Open, and double click the Start 2 file. And there we can see that we have two artboards. We don't quite see all of them. So I'm going to go up to View and down to Fit All in Window. And that now shows us both artboards in the window. It's a postcard with the front and the back on it. Down in the status bar, we can see that we have two artboards, and when I select them, it shows us the entire artboard in the window. I can use those little arrows as well to navigate the artboards. I'll go back to Fit All in Window. I'm going to get my selection tool, and I'm going to click on the text in that second artboard. That selects the text. And whenever I select something in the artboard, that automatically makes it the active artboard. So if I go to View and choose Fit Artboard in Window, that's the artboard that I'm going to see because I had clicked an object on it and it then made it the active artboard. I'm going to open up my Properties panel, and this also gives us another way to maneuver around our artboards. Just like the status bar, I can choose Artboard 1 or Artboard 2. I can use the left and right arrows to navigate among the artboards. Another way of navigating through artboards is by using the Artboards panel. I think I'll close the Properties panel. And I'll go up to Window and choose Artboards. Oops, I didn't want to do that. I just want the Artboards panel. And you can see it has two artboards on it. And if I double click, say, the number 1 artboard, that will show that artboard. And I'll do the same for artboard 2. So there's another way of navigating artboards. I'll close that panel. We may want to arrange multiple documents so that we can see them all at once. I closed that first document, and I think I'll open up that again. First, I'll fit all in Artboard, I think, all in Window. And then go to File, Open, and open up that first document. And we can see here in the document window, we've got two separate documents. And maybe we want to see them side by side, work on them at the same time. We can change the order in which the documents appear just by clicking the tab, holding it, and dragging it. That changes the order, the stacking order, you might say, of the document. We can also change how we arrange the documents by going to Window, down to Arrange, and we can see we have different options here. I'll choose Tile, and that puts them side by side. This may be useful for moving objects from one document to another. I'll go back to Window and Arrange and just try some other options. I'll try Float in Window. Float All in Window. There's also a little shortcut here on the application bar. So if I go to that shortcut icon just above there, I can click a drop-down menu, which gives me different options for viewing the documents and arranging them. There's the Arrange Documents icon. Click the drop-down menu, and we can see that we have different options here. I'll click the Consolidate All button to bring the documents back together in their original format. So there's a way to arrange various documents, to navigate between artboards, and view your document.